If you really want to know how to change your Gmail password or your Google account password step-by-step tutorial, consider to watch this video because I'm going to show you step-by-step on how you can change your Google account password or your Gmail account password. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see how you can change your Gmail password step-by-step tutorial on your phone. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So here's my phone settings. I'm going to click on here. Then from your phone setting, what you need to do is to locate your Google right here. Click on Google. Then from the point here, click on manage your Google account. Then from here, you have to locate security. Then at this point here, you have to scroll down and locate password. Then right here, make sure you click on forgot password. Then right here, click on continue to unlock your phone screen. Then unlock your phone screen. After unlocking your phone security, it takes you right here. Then enter your new password. Then move to the next column to confirm your new password. So you can use this eye color to check if the password are correlated, and this one also can use this high color high icon to check if the password are correlated with one another. After you have entered your new password and you confirm the new password, click on change password. So right here you can see your password change successful. So this is how you can change your Gmail or Google account password step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.